Haibo, webathandi bomkhosi, it is alleged that Buhle Samuels is currently going through a messy divorce. Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. If you're new here, please do subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Hi, ke bathandi bomkhosi. We all remember Buhle Samuels as she played the role of Matidiso during the SABC2 soapy Muvango. She was really playing a quite interesting role of portraying someone who was some sort of a gold digger. People fell in love with her character because, I don't know, maybe they were learning a lot from it. Hayi ke webathandi bomkhosi, in 2022, Buhle Samuels gave birth to a beautiful baby girl. That was quite an interesting part of her life. She continued, bathandi bomkhosi, to bless us in the entertainment industry, including music. Recently, she revealed that she is no longer Miss, but she is Mrs. to a businessman named Utando. Hayi ke webathandi bomkhosi, everything seemed to be going okay until uMusa Khawula posted that Ubuhle Daniels has moved out from her marital home at Blue Valley in Midrand, bathandi bomkhosi, leaving her alleged criminal and dangerous husband, whom later on took back the Porsche that Buhle Samuels was posting with last year, and her fans were congratulating her for. Okay. But we all believed that Porsche, she purchased it herself, but of course, because she is, of course, a working woman. So now that this messy divorce, the rumors of the messy divorce that are currently occurring, they're stating that the husband went back and took his Porsche back. Hi. Hayi kuningi impela bathandi bobukhosi, kuyoshiyana nje ukwenza, kuyoshiyana ukwenza kwey'ndaba. Let us look at what Trip had to say. I wonder if she went into the marriage knowing that this man is dangerous, or she found out in the marriage. I am glad she got out in one piece, a Tweep said. Marriage, I see your club. These slay queens are learning the hard way. Once you're inside, you realize the money is really not there, another one stated. He can take away the Porsche, it's okay. She walked away without a child. That's a huge win. She can now cut all ties with the gangster, another one added. She chose to save her life instead of clinging to material positions like a Porsche, and sadly, we later had to offer our condolences due to GBV. Hayi ke bathandi bomkhosi, it is also alleged ukuthi Buhle Samuels law likes going out, allegedly, and clubbing a lot. Might that be the cause of the rumor that is currently happening now, that she is actually separating from her husband because she cannot basically understand that she's a wife? I would really like to hear your thoughts on this one. Please do subscribe and comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.